To go along with the last video, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. 33. Saturn, Pluto. 99. Venus and Jupiter. Earth, 7 for the gateway. Spirit of 76 is Mars and Earth. 4, Mercury and Uranus come together, 44, which is the opposite of 33 on the cube. 79 to the 7th gate. So these are the numbers. It shows me the house, the time, the sun of creation. When we go in this angle, these are all the numbers. 50, I'm not sure what it means yet. I'm just looking it over, trying to figure out what it means. Top corner telling me the 3/4 moons of Earth. Bottom corner tells me Jesus' time on the cross. Liberty comes in the first 2 rows. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. The sun on this side over here, the sun comes in with Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Pluto. Life, birth, comes in on Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. The skies of Saturn are now located between planets 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could have told you what they are, but I mentioned it once. That's what all these are telling me. Christ comes in on Mercury, Jupiter, and Pluto. Sweet 16, the half-life. Life comes in on Earth as the gateway to the birth in Jupiter and Uranus and Mars position. We create the cross, we end up with Jupiter 99 crisscrossing through the Christ gateway of life. 22 is 22nd letter is a V for life. 293 BC creation, birth. Not sure what that means, just thinking myself. 14 and 23, in between this is the Star of David and the cube when you're on roulette, between 14 and 23. Just trying to take a look at the numbers. 55, 54. And you have 422 on this corner, 347. The spirit comes in on this corner, meaning, how do we get these numbers here? I added up these numbers here, ends up with a 4, 7, 3, ends up with a 2, 2, 4, ends up with a 5, 7. The moon is on this corner, the corner of Mercury, Mars, and Venus. And this corner is 3, 2, 5, beta creation, 2, 5, beta creation of Earth, creation of the planet through Uranus. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. There was one other piece that I'm going to just show you. To the left and to the right, and then over each other, double A. What can you see in here?